Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you. First of all, we found vintage audio training cassettes. Dude, these are like prehistoric. I think they were like training tapes for like other employees or something like that. So I thought we could like have them playing like over the speakers as people walk through the attraction. Dude, that makes us feel legit, man. But I have an even better surprise for you. You're not gonna believe this. We found one. A real one. Gotta go, man. Well, look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it. Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man. Hello? Hello? Welcome to your new career as a performer slash entertainer for Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. These pages will provide you with much needed information on how to handle slash climb into slash climb out of mascot costumes. Right now we have two specially designed suits that double as both animatronic and suit. So please pay close attention while learning how to operate these suits, as accidents slash injuries slash death slash irreparable and grotesque maiming can occur. First, we'll discuss how to operate the mascots when they are in animatronic form. For ease of operation, the animatronics are set to turn and walk towards sound cues. An easy and hands-free approach to making sure the animatronics stay where the children are for maximum entertainment slash crowd-pleasing value. To change the animatronics to suit mode, insert and turn firmly the hand crank provided by the manufacturer. Turning the crank will recoil and compress the animatronic parts around the sides of the suit, providing room to climb inside. Please make sure the spring locks are fastened tight to ensure the animatronic devices remain fixed. We will cover this in more detail in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Stále tam si. Tu je. Stále. Yes. Mám tě. Ne. Teraz. Keď vidím toho robu, keď ten, čo má pri mne blízko hlavu, je robot. On má presne výstraž, keď pozerám kamery, preto im musím rýchlo vypnúť. Aj sa preto snažím. Mám ťa? Nie, nemám. Ňoj. Už zase dvakrát. Yes. Už len toto. Stále si tam. Už nie? Stále ešte viditeľný a nemôžem uvariť. Kde? On teraz je neviditeľný. Musí vydržať. Au. Snad už je tam ten robot. Musím vydržať. Už jen musím čekat. Musím vydržať. Yes! Tak.